Staghorn Fern.
Hey, I was out talking to my plants today, and this is my Staghorn Fern. I had it for like 3 years. It don't look pretty. It doesn't right now. So I was figuring I need to take off some of the brown parts. But as I was looking at it, I noticed it started making babies. See? Right down here. And I think I need to do some maintenance on it. Because you see how this is flushing out? Usually with this, it covers everything and then a small leaf grows out. And this, when I bought it, had plastic all over it, so I'm going to take it off. I don't know how to do this. I've never done this before, so y'all get to see what it's like when I unravel it. And then I have to figure out, probably, like, buy some burlap bag and put the burlap over it. And hopefully no spiders or nothing crawl on me, because there's all kinds of spooky doop that be outside. Let me see. This is my hook. It goes right down the bottom. So let me see if I take it out. It's simple. And take off this plastic. See how cute that is? How it starts off with this and then this grows out of it. I actually thought, because I didn't know, I actually thought that they manipulated the plant to be that way. I didn't know it naturally does this itself. I'm pulling off all this dead stuff. And then I'm going to, and see, here's another one that's doing the same. This part right here. Oh, there's bugs. So this part here. So I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna leave it open a little bit more. I don't think I really have to do much to it. Looks like something going on right here too. So hopefully, since I'm giving it the option to grow out like it wants to, however it wants to, it'll just spread and do better. I could take it and put it back outside. I just didn't want to leave it in the plastic. Oh, I wasn't even in the video. I'm sorry. I just didn't want to leave it in the black plastic. Huh. Okay, I showed that one. That's the same one, huh? Right there. That's good enough. It's kind of moist. It gets enough water. So, hopefully, this part right here, and I'll be able to update, will spread and put out some leaves the way these are. And then we'll get this covered a bit better, because I think having it wrapped in that plastic, I think that stagnated it a bit. That's it like that there. Alright, y'all. That's it. I just thought more was going to happen when I opened this up. But that's all. Take it easy.